And he's gone after him. It's going to go a long, long way. It's got the last 6. And goes charging after that again. And
22. And there he goes, inside out. Looking out deep. Oh, remarkable.
full toss. And now that he's wasted that, hasn't he? Yeah. A gift-wrapped delivery. And he accepts.
Slightly short, and this is some clever batting from Nabi. He saw that it had a lot of width and height. Oh wow, this is good, even better. That's 6. Shuffling in the crease, smacks that one for a single. Oh, he's misfielded. Big shot. Sammy will only see that sailing over. That's the biggest I've seen. Chittagong in the again, that's even better. Look at that bowler Raju again plays a similar shot. He beats the fielder at point. He plays it, and this time it's gone high up in the air. This is going to take some catching. 3 fielders getting under it. Full toss. It's gonna go over. That's criminal. I mean, he's going great guns. You're helping him. Shot. Shot. Omar Akmal will fetch the ball. That's played well. That's flat. 1 bounce. For Chittagong Vikings. Nabi on strike. Oh, he's missed it. That should be probably the 5th one he's missed in his innings. That is 80.